Hello friends, my name is Shivam from Devops Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Then after Docker file, you will
Run a Docker build command to convert this into a container image. Okay.
yeah.
I will show you a demo, small demo on how to convert an like if you have a Java based application, how you are going to convert that Java based application into a container image. Okay. But this is the traditional way. The new way, I have told you that when you start building your Spring Boot app, use that Spotify plugin. It will help you automatically build your container images.
Is it possible to show that with that plugin in example, so that may be helpful to us?
I have to build.
So yesterday you told that you have sent me mail, but I haven't get that.
And your Gmail is also slow.
No, I opened that at night.
At night, all shaitan comes, all devil comes. I have sent it. This is your mail ID. Mohan Sai.101. Na? This is na Mohan Sai.101. Sai, this is your email ID, na?
Gopal, it's mine only.
Are you getting chat now?
Yes, I'm getting.
Can you check the chat? In the chat, I have sent it again.
Yeah, I got it.
I don't have Spring STS. I have removed it. I have a video I have created. I will share it with you.
Can you share it with all of us, or like at least me also?
The video, na? I will share it tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
It is in somewhere in Google Drive. I have to search for it. I will share it with you. I'll go to the project directory. I'll create an hello world in Java. Simple application. Vi hello world dot Java. need to compile this. As I don't have Java, I need to install Java. How to install JDK? I'll install OpenJDK. And the development library also. Without that, I cannot compile it. Java, C, hello world. I will create a manifest.txt file also. In that, I will put manifest manifest-version colon 1.0 created -by me main-class colon hello world. Save it. Java C. I'll convert this into a jar file. Jar cfm hello world dot jar. I need to put manifest.txt and hello world dot class file. ls java -jar to verify that the jar file is working fine or not. It gives you perfect output. Now I will create a Docker file. In Docker file, I will provide an instruction. This is a Java. So I will download from Java :8. I will provide another instruction working directory. I put / add hello world dot jar hello world dot jar. Expose it in port 8080. cmd java -jar hello world dot jar, and I need to put an enter so that this will execute. I'll run a command docker build -t hello world. It's working. Yeah. Git init yum install git init.
Gopal, one question.
Huh?
One question. I couldn't get what is the issue. I mean the use of this manifest file.
I'm coming on that. Just give me 1 minute. Let me
Okay.
transfer the code. Then I will explain you what I have done it. Okay.
All right. Okay.
git config global user name. I have put the GitHub link, the code and everything. So what we have done is we have taken a simple Java application which print hello world. Okay. The next thing what we have done is using Java C, we compile that app. So once I compile it, you can see that an hello world.class file has been created, which is an executable file in Java. After that, like if you write down a PHP based application, you pack it. If you are writing a Windows based application .NET or anything, okay, you pack it using MSI or exe file. Similar to that, if you want to package your Java based application, you need to use a jar. Jar means a jar executable from Java, which will automatically convert it into an deployable Java based application. It means you can run it easily. You don't need to compile it because it has only the class file, not your Java code. Okay. So, but to do the same, we need to provide an manifest.txt file. We need to provide an manifest.txt file. So what is this manifest file is? Any jar file which you are creating. Sorry, a small kid comes in. Any jar file which you are creating, it need an manifest file which describe the jar file. So if you look into that manifest file, cat manifest, it contains what is the manifest version you have, who has created it, and the class file. Okay. If you put a wrong class file, it will not take it. Like if you want to create a jar file with the wrong class file, it will never take it. Is it clear till here?
You have to create the with manifest.txt only, right? When you're creating this jar, if you
Yes,
create with
yes.
other name, it won't take, right?
No.
Okay.
The naming convention manifest.txt should be there. Okay. It's a small text file. The next thing, is it clear till here?
Yep.
And the next thing we created a now war file. Okay, like those who have done Java based application, you deployed that war in a Tomcat server and start running it. Okay, similar to that, I need to convert it into a container image. To convert the same into a container image, okay, to convert the same into a container image, I created a simple Docker file. To convert the same into an into an container image, we have image inside the specific project folder. We need to create a Docker file, and the Docker file format should be, it is a plain text file but D capital. Docker file format should be D capital. Okay, Docker file is nothing, it contains instruction, it contains instruction to build an image. The first instruction I have given that from Java colon8, all the instructions should be in the capital format, Java colon8. So what it do is, when I run docker build command, it is going to execute this file, docker build -t. It will create -t means I am giving the image name, like I have given hello world, and put at the end I have put a dot. So docker build -t image name will be given the name, and dot means it will look for the docker file. At the end I have put dot means docker build command will look for the docker file in the current directory. If it is not there in the current directory, put the path where it is, where you need to provide the path. If you put dot means it will look for the docker file in the current directory. So the first thing it will do is it will download your Java 8 image from hub.docker.com. After downloading, it will convert the image into an container. This working directory will create a directory inside your container. So it can be slash, or you can put slash app, whatever. If it is not, if it is there in your previous container image, it is okay, and otherwise it is going to create it. Then the add command. The add instruction will copy the hello world file from your current directory. This hello world.jar, this is the source. It will look for hello world.jar in your source directory. Okay. In place of hello world, if it is there in some other directory, you need to put the whole path wherever it is. Okay. It will copy it. 2 times I have hello world, means it will copy it and put it inside this working directory. Expose 8080, it will expose your container internally inside your Docker machine. And finally, cmd java-jar. Cmd command means it will execute the container. Clear? The Docker file. Yeah.
One thing. From Java 8, what it will download the Java 8 image from the Docker Hub and create a container at the same time, right? And after
Yes.
creating the container, working directory will be created inside the container, right?
Yes.
So now inside the container already lot of files are there. Now you copy those files inside the working directory. That you are doing add command, right?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
You can use copy also, okay? In place of add. In place of add, you can use copy. Why did I put add when I can use copy? Any? Yeah.
Using copy only you can from anywhere to you can copy to inside the working directory, but using add, I think current directory. I'm not sure. Is it right? Some
Copy.
difference?
Yeah, there is a huge difference. Copy. Okay. You can copy a file from one directory to the working directory, okay, or wherever you want it in your inside your container. Add has some more benefit, okay. If you use add, http:// you can use an URL to copy your file also, okay. Got the difference between add and copy?
Yes.
Like if you have a file in FTP, okay, so add command, you have to use it if you want to copy it from the FTP folder. Copy command, simply copy your file, okay, from one of the directory to another directory. But if it is there in the URL, those functionality available with the add instruction, okay. If I type now Docker images, I can see that the hello world image has been created. If I want to run it, Docker run, it will execute, okay. That is not important. The important thing is this hello world image. The size of image is 643 MB. It's too big. I want to reduce the size. How to reduce the size of your image? Tell me how to reduce the size of the image.
Remove some dependencies which are not needed, maybe.
Okay. The base image size is 643 MB. You go to tags
Mhm.
in hub.dockercon.com. There are so many images available which is very lighter in weight. The base image like Slim Buster. Okay. And like it automatically use that Oracle Linux 317. Like if you use Windows base image, it is 2441 GB. Sorry. Or what I can do is just look for in the tags, there is an option filter tags, Alpine image, okay. 16 JDK Alpine, it is 192 MB. I will copy this 16 JDK Alpine 3.12. I will open the Docker file. From I need to take the whole image. Name is OpenJDK. I'll save this. Again, rebuild it, okay? With the same name, I will try to again. I will again rebuild it. Now it will download OpenJDK. Because my application size is hardly anything. Now if I do Docker images, it has been reduced to half, is it right? From previous. Can you see it, all of you?
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Yeah.
So you can reduce your image size like this, okay? Docker commit -m Docker with Alpine image Docker git push -u origin master. I have pushed all the code in GitHub, okay? I have given you. If you have an Node.js based application, okay? So how to convert a Node.js app into a container image? Here I have put it, okay? Create a Node.js app, put your express.js file, Then create a Docker file. But before that, you need to install npm from node 10. Here also you can use node, like from here I am putting node 10. Okay. In place of node 10, it will be around 200 MB of file which will get downloaded. But if you want to reduce this, you can node : alpine release, take it. Your image file will be reduced to 50 MB. Then here I am use working directory as user source app. Okay. So if it is not there, it is going to create it. Copy package.json and to the / directory. Then inside that container, it will run npm install. Copy whatever content I have it. So it is not like that in instruction you can use copy once, you can use multiple times. Expose it using 8080. Use a command statement node server.js. Go through this example, the Node.js app. Even Spring also. I have put that Spring Boot application also. If you understand how to create Docker file for one application, you can understand everything. Python, Control F, Python, create env Python. You don't use Python, is it right?
We will use.
Python is very simple. Create a Docker file, Python, add myscript.py, cmd python myscript, and run the Python py file. My repository, Gopal1409 repository is open to public. You can use it. So many examples I have created and put it here.
Oh, question to you, Gopal. So GitHub, I have an account on GitHub. So when I search, is that a permission that, to go to your files?
All these are public repository, no permission required. I have put github.com/gopal1409.
Okay. That's what
You have to go to this site. Okay. And if you want to copy something from here, just there is a fork option available. There is a fork option available. You can fork it on your own repository.
Sure.
Take 15 minutes time, do that hello world example, all of you. Can you do it now, everyone? Then we'll move to Kubernetes.
Is there any limitation like how many commands should be there in a Docker file or something like that? Like I see
No.
around
You can
nothing
put,
as per your requirement.
there is no limitation. Like I want to update the container. If there is no limitation, okay.
And in industry, like I don't work in that, like in those projects, but my query is like, let's say you are the project architecture or someone like that, and you create a Docker file, but that will be for the whole project, and you will be using Docker Hub to like a enterprise Docker Hub to put the file there, and everyone will pull from there. How it happens in, let's say, in industry?
In industry, they have their own custom registry. Okay. Like previously, Docker Hub is the only registry available, but nowadays it is available from JFrog Docker Container Registry. Okay. Like in your industry, if you in your company, they will have an JFrog installation. Or if you are using Nexus container registry is there. Okay. Or you can use Google Container Registry, or you can use Amazon Container Registry, ECR, Elastic Container Registry. Azure has Azure Container Registry. Nowadays, everyone is giving a container registry.
Okay.
On-premises, like banking industry, like I work with Citibank for their projects on containerization. They have on-premises registry using JFrog.
Okay. And
Yes.
this might be a question to our internal guys also, like whoever is working. So who creates this Docker files? If there is a Spring Boot
Developer.
project is going, okay,
The developer
developer.
is doing. Nowadays, it is developer job to create this Docker file.
Okay. Okay, while creating this jar file or something like that, the archives, like they can use the image and then they can use their whatever commands, extra instruction they want, they can create an image, right?
Yes, yes. That is, nowadays, this job of creating container image is gone to the developer only. Okay. They are being upgraded with 2.0.
For your better understanding, right? So take as any Node application, yeah, any Java application, right? So you have some CI/CD pipeline concepts are there where you define.
Let me show you. Let me show you. That is also, I have it. Here only in this GitHub link, I have created that CI/CD. If you are compiling it using Jenkins, okay, CI/CD Docker. Jenkins pipeline is there. You're talking about this?
Declarative pipeline, right?
No, here same thing. These
Declarative
stages
pipeline.
are there. So here, what you have to define. Here the steps are there: build Docker image and this thing. Give the location of the Docker file. It will create the Docker image and push to the Artifactory, like that concept is there.
That is one more steps you added.
Yeah.
I have idea on this. Actually, that is a declarative pipeline.
Yeah.
So that's declarative pipeline. You can add the steps whatever you want. You can delete the steps whatever you need.
Pipeline as a code, you can say Groovy scripts.
Yes.
This is one of the best thing you have it. Okay.
Yeah.
You can add the steps. You can remove the steps. I'm putting it. Not only that, till like Docker file, you need means you can add the Docker file here also. There is a step, but what I have done is like with this Java based application, I already put that Docker file also inside it. Okay. Then using Maven, I have compiled it. Then build command, automatically it has built my Docker image. Then push the same to hub.docker.com. If you have internal registry, you can push it there. Okay. And finally run the container on dev server also. Means I have gone through all the steps. From compiling to creating an image, pushing it to a registry, and running it on a server also. Okay. We call it declarative or scripted pipeline. So this way, what will happen is that you can add it, you can remove the steps, whatever you want to do it. Okay. Do people use this only or something else?
Yeah, we are using this declarative pipeline.
It's a good way. Okay.
Yes.
I have given you the code. You can try it. Okay. It's not too complicated if you have. Once you need to
Actually,
create it.
so before actually we are using some libraries. So
That is
library
created.
contains like which type of code it contains. I'm not sure. Actually, I didn't write that. Some of the senior guys wrote that, written that. So how can I like it? Is it Java code or is it which code?
Jenkins is 100% Java. Na?
Libraries. It should
Yeah,
Jenkins
yeah,
only.
yeah.
Okay.
You are talking about this pipeline, scripted pipeline.
Yeah, actually,
This is Groovy. Okay.
no, this is groovy. This is fine. Actually, we created like here we use some functions, right? That functions can be
Hmm.
stored in that library. We at that time we call that function from here. So that
Mhm.
functions are written in which code I'm asking. Is it Java or
Mostly it will be on Java only. Jenkins
okay?
understand. If it is on Jenkins, so Jenkins understand Java only. Any Java, Angular, Node.js, everything it understand. Okay. I don't think they have written it in Ruby, which is too complex. All of you do this exercise and tell me. Then we'll move to Kubernetes. Once done, just tell me. Doing it now, all of you.
Gopal, like, I just create a hello world in Eclipse. So it compiled and everything is fine. So it's just how we can, I'm just kind to relate on the IDE and how from that you provide the do the Docker image using the files in my workspace.
In IDE, what you need to do is like create a Docker file in which IDE do you people use?
Well, for me, I use both SDS and Eclipse for Java. If I do the Spring application with the SDS as well, but this is just I just open up the Eclipse and just did the Java code hello world.
Yeah. In Eclipse only, you need to create that Docker file and run it.
Okay. Do we have steps?
No, just right click, create a simple text file.
Yeah, I already did that. I just create a new Java application, create a new class at the world, and it's done. But do we have a plugin or something in Eclipse that's what my question is.
No, by default, there is nothing inside it. Just create a Docker file, but inside your machine, okay? Inside this machine, if you want to. But if you build it, the Docker, it is not going to create an image. You need to install on your machine. You need to install, if you are using Windows 10, Docker or Windows 10. You need to install this Docker desktop on Windows 10, okay? Then only it will compile it. There is a minimum requirement, you have it, okay? And it should be in the running state. Understand what you need to have it? If you are compiling it through Eclipse on your local desktop, you need to have Docker desktop installed, okay? Yeah. Anyone has done till here? Okay, doing it.
Docker build what is the command to run here? I'm not seeing this Docker container.
Docker build -t, the name of the image, space hyphen dot, space dot.
Yeah, I have done that stuff. So if I run Docker container ls, it is showing the container ID image.
Can you share your screen? What it is?
Yes.
I need to make you present. What is your name? Yeah, Docker build -d hello world. It has built it. Just type Docker images, it will show you. You can see hello world image has been created.
Yeah.
Done, everyone?
Gopal,
Yeah,
can I share my screen and show what
yeah,
each
please,
step?
please. What is your name? Suvir Singh.
So actually, I done vi docker file one command inside. Okay, and from Java 8 like this I written. Is it correct
Java
way?
colon 8, J small. Work directory space / app. What you can do is copy paste that code I have given. It is there in that GitHub link.
This one.
Not Node.js app, not
This
Spring,
one.
not
One.
Spring. Yeah, this one. Spring Docker, yeah.
Gopal
The previous one.
140
No. The previous one.
Docker one.
Spring Cloud. Not
This
Python.
one.
Not this one, the first one. From starting first, second, third.
This one. Spring Docker.
Yeah, Spring Docker. Open the Docker file. No, this hello world.
This one, right?
Open this. Yeah.
Is it okay?
Remove those spaces, starting space. And escape I.
Okay.
No, do it. Yeah, save it now.
I am done, Gopal.
Okay, good. Save it.
Yeah. When I done the insert mode,
Escape
WQ.
:WQ. Yeah, now do Docker build.
Why?
Docker build. Type Docker build -t.
Docker file.
His name, whatever you want to give him his name.
Just put hello world. No. Just put hello world. Docker build -t hello
Okay.
world space dot. Any name you can give.
Hello
Space
world.
dot.
Dot.
Enter. Yeah, enter.
Something failed. Had to
Type ls.
type ls.
Enter. Only you have Docker file. Where it is that Java. Copy that Java file also, na?
Okay. I will do that.
Convert it into an jar. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Done, everyone.
Please enroll our general membership for $3.99 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $3.99 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.